Okay, we're still in lesson 6. Okay, unit 1. Okay, we're working with division facts. Okay. And we're going to read the problem below, then explore ways to find the unknown number in a division fact. It says Joe knows nickels are worth 5 cents. Okay, she needs 40 cents altogether. Okay, she wants to find how many nickels she needs. So she writes 40 divided by 5. I'm going to write this somewhere on the side. So she has 40 divided by 5. And she wants to find the unknown. Okay. One way we could do this is by what? What does that say?
Skip by 5.
Skip by 5. Okay. Obviously, you start with from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And how many jumps did I make? 8. So 40. Oops. 40 divided by 5, in this case is 8. Yesterday we talked about fact families, right? So I guess we're using the fact family with these 3 digits. 40, 5, and 8. That's my fact families. Okay. So here I have a 5 and a 40. What's missing? 8. Okay. Here it's also 8 that's missing. So 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, they're just flipped over. Okay. So 40 divided by what gives me 5? 8. Okay. So if 40 divided by 8 gives me 5, 40 divided by 5 gives me 8. Okay. Write the location facts for 5. Look for the fact that has the numbers you know from the fact family 5 and 40. Okay. Well, I know this one. Write the location facts for 5. All right. Use the fact to fill in the unknown numbers above, which we did that already. Oh. Okay. So here it's next. So now we'll use fact families to solve another problem like the one on the previous page. So it says Mo wants to know how many nickels he needs to make 45 cents. So he writes this. He writes 45 divided by blank equals 5. What other division facts can you write to model this problem? Well, couldn't we write this? What's another division fact that we could write with these right here? Okay, division fact. $45 divided by, well, 5 in this case. Okay, and then it's my unknown. Whoops. My unknown. That's another way I could solve it. Okay. It says what 2 multiplication facts are in the same fact family? Use the square for the unknown. So I'm still using that. Now, Alice, coming in my multiplication fact. 5 times I'm going to use the square for the unknown equals 45. What else can I write? How else can I write it? Aubrey? Okay, I need a multiplication sentence. We went 5 times blank equals 45. What's another way to write it? Dina? So I'm going to use a square. So the unknown number times 5 equals 45. Okay. Says look at the list of multiplication facts for 5 on the previous page. What fact will help Mo answer his division problem? So on the previous page, that box that has all the facts, Which one am I going to use? Which one am I going to use? You're right. I'm going to use 5 times 9 equals 45. Is there another one? Nope, just that one. Okay. So how many nickels does he need? How many nickels does he need? 9. 9. He needs 9. Explain how you know which multiplication factor you can use to help. Well, I know that because the 2 digits that I have is 5 and 45. The only one that has that is the one, the fact family that has 45, 5, and 9. That's how I know. All the other ones don't have 9. Okay? Number 5, where it says, explain how you know which multiplication factor you can use to help you find the unknown number in a division fact. Well, one thing that I asked you guys to do was, in a fact family, they use the same what? 3 numbers, right? So we need to find a multiplication fact that has the same numbers that are given in the division problem. So in this case, I needed to find the multiplication fact that had what 3 numbers again? Or what are the 2 numbers that they gave us first? 45 and 5. That's what I needed. So they told us that we needed to find a multiplication sentence that has the same numbers that are given in the division problem. So here we're going to study the example that shows how a drawing can help you understand division facts. A drawing, or what's this called? An array. Thank you. An array. Plus it says, here's an array of fish, of 15 fish. There are 3 rows, so he's got 3 rows. He's got 3 rows of fish. Okay, he's got 1 row, 2, 3. 3 rows. The fact family describes the array in different ways. Okay, so we have 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, we have 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, and then 15 divided by 5 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we have all these right here. Again, I'm going to ask you, are we using the same 3 numbers? Yes. Wait. No? Are we using the same 3 numbers? We're using a 3, a 5, and a 15. 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 It sounds like a broken record, but, you know, you get the point. So we're going to use the array. Write one of the facts from the list above that can help you answer each question. Okay? So how many fish are there all together? 15. Now, which fact, okay, or which math equation or sentence could I use to figure that out? If I want to find out the total, what would I use? Tell me. But what am I going to write? So what was that? Times. So what would I write? Tell me. Ashley? Times 5 equals 15. Or I could write 5 times 3 equals 15, right? Because when I use the multiplication sentences, okay, that tells me the total. Okay. If I want to find out how many are in each row, I'm going to use what? Division. Yes. So 15 fish swim in 3 equal rows. How many fish are in each row? So now what am I going to write? Okay, well, 15 divided by how many rows? 3. In this case, it would be 5 in each row. Correct. Okay. How about number 3? Aubrey, number 3. 15 fish swim in rows of 5. How many rows of fish are there? Yes? I have a total already. It's similar to number 2. Similar to number 2. You're right. You said 15 divided by, well, it has 15 fish swim in rows of 5 fish. So I'm going to put 5 here. It equals how many rows of fish are there? So how many rows did we find? 3. 3. You know that 4 times 9 equals 36. Write the whole fact family. Use the numbers 4, 9, and 36. Well, they gave you the first one. What's the first one? 4. Keep going. Times 9 equals 36. Okay? Fill in the rest. So, they gave you the first one. 4 times 9 equals 36. What else do we have? Whoops. Sorry about that. I need. Whoops. There you go. Perfect. Okay. So you said 9 times 4 equals 36. What else do we have? Aubrey, keep going. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Yes. What else? Well, here I have 36 divided by 9 equals 4. So what am I going to start off with? What am I going to start off with? Yes, when it's a division problem, I always start off with a total. 4 equals 9. That's what you have.